This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze your location on your iPhone. I got my iPad here. Now if you're on Find My, you can see everyone's location if you share it with them. We can turn off sharing very easy. Just go up the top on your settings here, go to your name, your account, and go to Find My right here. And click Find My. Now we have the option to go to Find My iPad right here. And then we can turn off Find My iPad. And this says location lock or erase this device and support accessories. This device cannot be erased and reactivated without your password. So just turn off Find My iPad right there for my network as well and send last location. And then we have my location. We can just simply turn off share my location as well. And it'll be a lot easier to turn this on and off in the future. So you can see this device is selected. So you can just turn it off or freeze it right there. Another way that we can do this is if we go on down to where it says privacy and security, just go over there and we have location services. On the top here we can just turn off location services, share my location. I'll bring you to like the same options right there, but we got location alerts. We can look at that, show map and location alerts, etc. Then if we go on down we have Find My under here and allow location access. We can just simply go to never and turn it off, and precise location. So that's another way that we can do this. And the third way is if you are really desperate, you can just go up to the top and just go to airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right, click airplane mode. Now I believe you can still be connected to the Wi-Fi and use this, but your mobile network will be disconnected. So you could just try this out too. Just make sure you don't have the Wi-Fi setting turned on, I believe, for Find My. Otherwise you still will be showing up. So you can just disconnect from the internet by hitting that, and then that will pause your location as well. Or just turn off your phone. I mean, that's probably the easiest way to don't need it on. So there is one other way that you can turn off sharing location in Find My. And then you can go to a different older device and just turn that on, and it might be like the same thing. It might be like an iPhone, just going to show up iPhone, you can leave it at home or whatever, and then bring your other iPhone and just turn off sharing location on that device. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.